Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Damned Designs Invictus right over here with me for a review, and I'm gonna check out the look, the sound and the feel of this little fella, which comes with this it's alright box. I like it, and the knife, of course, and this is a very interesting one because check it out. It has like 9 centimeters and cutting edge, and 12 centimeters for the handle. You get like 20.5 for the overall length for this fella, which is a chubby one, but really feels good in the hand. So it is a titanium liner lock, and it's very interesting. The liner over here is inset into the titanium scale, which is stone washed and contour and milled. I mean, there's a lot of things going on for $100 knife, guys. This is $100. So it is crazy. Like, I mean, it's checking almost all the boxes, guys. It's really interesting to see what you can buy with $100. So you get titanium scales, stone washed, milled. Look at the pivot, non-spinning pivot. You get some nice chamfering going on the outside and on the inside. There is some internal skeletonization. Check out the scale, like the show side right there. And the lock side as well. Like you get 4 holes in the inset lock, which is a very cool detail, right? To reduce the weight. Tip-up carry only, pocket clip, titanium, and deep carry. Strong tension. You get the screws, which are buried down, not flush with the actual clip. As you can see, there's like a little bit of an area there, but still it's flush, so the material, the fabric of your pockets, it's not gonna interfere with the screws, and that is perfect. I mean, you get a nice finger groove right over here, pretty good and comfy grip. You have a titanium backspacer with a lanyard loop option over here integrated, but hidden, so it's not gonna disrupt the overall design of the piece. So pretty cool, and which goes up to here and protects the tip of the blade from like biting your finger, so pretty well recessed right over there. So overall, I mean, materials are there. You get a 14C28 and steel, which I mean is good enough. It's still like a budget knife, so nothing wrong with that. And by the way, this clip is reversible. As you can see, you remove this tab over here, and you can have it on the other side as well. So that is very good and well made, actually. Look at this, pretty. I mean, you still can see it, but it's pretty flush. I mean, you have a little bit of an area right over there, but it's negligible. So pretty good. Super easy to disassemble, simple construction. Here you got this screw, which is going through, of course, and the pivot. Take out this set of scales and you're pretty much done. So pretty straightforward. You have a nice blade, actually. I like this shape. 100% belly, flat grind, nice jimping, which is effective. It's not too aggressive. It actually works very well. Full flat grind with this elongated plunge grind. Damned Design logo with the horns and the evil eyes, which are actually a set of knives, and it's pretty cool. Yeah, there's a little bit of chamfering going on, you see, from this, and then just gently fades away. So nice touch right there. Let's check the thickness of this blade. So we get 0.157, but behind the edge it feels pretty thin. So let's check it like about here. Yeah, 0.02. So it's nice and slicey. It's not too thick. Stone washed finish and nice sharpening choil. It's chamfered as well. The flipper tab with some jimping going on, as you can see all around. So which means that it's gonna be grippy for the light switch 100%, but also it's gonna be grippy for the push button. So that that is a very well designed flipper tab, guys. Look at this. And chamfered around. So chamfered, top, bottom, geometry, well placed, yes. And that contributes to have this crazy sound. Thwack. And tick and thwack. This is, yeah, it's kind of loud, but pleasant. It's it's a very, very good sounding knife in my opinion, and in the hand, yeah, it feels good. So actually, let's check out the weight for this guy. How much? Because yeah, you get it's a little bit hefty. So let's see, in ounces, this fella is going to be 5.86 for a relatively short blade. So it's it's beefy, it's a beast. It's skeletonized. There's weight reduction, but still, you can feel that it's a solid one. Really comfy in the hand, like no hot spots going on whatsoever. This is like something you can abuse, I feel. It's really solid. And for $100, you can't really go wrong, guys. Like, materials are there. The construction is there. The fit and finish also there. Like, no blade play. It's very, very solid. The action is very good. Like, good set of bearing. But look at that. It's whipping out like, whew. And like this is like very, very effortlessly firing. Like, so there's no guillotine effect. You just need a little gentle wiggle to get it in the close position, but pretty strong detent and very dialed in. It's nice and feels good in the hand, sounds good. It's a beast of a knife. It's quite cheap, to be honest. Good material. This is a winner. Love this guy. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.